In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto on Coinbase. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out on your crypto journey, buying digital currencies is a straightforward process on Coinbase. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Coinbase account. You can do this either through the app on your mobile device or by visiting their website on a computer. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up, which involves providing some personal information and creating a secure password. Remember to keep your login details safe and secure. Two-factor authentication is highly recommended for added security. Once you're logged in, the next step is to link a payment method. This is crucial as it allows you to fund your crypto purchases. You can link a bank account for larger purchases or use a debit or credit card for smaller ones. Each option has different processing times and fees. So take a moment to consider which one fits your needs best. Keep in mind that linking your account might take a couple of days if you choose a bank transfer, so plan ahead if you have a specific crypto buying goal in mind. Now that your payment method is linked, navigate to the buy-sell section. This area is the hub for purchasing and selling cryptocurrencies. You'll find everything you need neatly organized here. Browse through the list of available cryptocurrencies and select the one you wish to purchase. Coinbase offers a wide array of options from the popular Bitcoin and Ethereum to many altcoins. Once you've chosen your cryptocurrency, enter the amount you want to buy. You have the flexibility to input this in either fiat currency, like US dollars, or in crypto. This feature is handy, especially if you have a specific budget or if you want to buy an exact amount of a specific coin. Before finalizing the transaction, review the price and any fees associated with the purchase. This step is crucial to ensure transparency and avoid any unwanted surprises. Coinbase clearly displays the transaction fees, which can vary depending on the payment method you've chosen. It's always good practice to double check this information before proceeding. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and confirm your purchase. A simple click and you're almost done. Your newly purchased crypto will appear in your Coinbase wallet shortly after, usually within a few minutes. Take a moment to congratulate yourself. You've successfully bought cryptocurrency on Coinbase. You can now track your investment directly from your Coinbase account or app, where you'll also find tools and resources to help you manage and optimize your crypto holdings. And there you have it, buying crypto on Coinbase is as simple as that. Thanks for watching and happy investing.